Hi guys, Jake here from Bestline, and today we're going to be talking about a winter use prep on a snowblower. So there's some pretty basic things you're going to want to do to get up and running this winter, assuming you followed your summer storage procedure. First thing we're going to do is we're going to visibly check over the unit. We don't want to see any large rust holes, we don't want to see any signs of deterioration or decay of the unit, and most certainly that all guards are in place. The first area I like to start is to make sure none of the shear pins have rusted off or sheared from the last use. We can do this by easily checking that they are locked in place on the drive shaft when the unit is not running. Another area of concern could be around the guard itself. Make sure it's not rusted out and you don't want any debris coming back and hitting you while it's in operation. So after we visibly checked over the unit, made sure all of our control levers, no shear pins have sheared, we want to check the fluids. Now with this unit, it's very simple. Check your dipstick on the side. And with this Honda, you're not going to thread the dipstick back in when you check the oil. So first, we're going to pull the dipstick out, wipe, insert till the threads touch the base of the block, and then pull back out and check our oil level. This one is in acceptable range, and we can check that off the list. Another area we're going to want to check specifically is our electrical system. We want to make sure none of our connections have deteriorated, none of our wires are pulled out. These are absolutely critical to making sure your unit will start and perform this season. Making sure our battery cables are tight if the unit is equipped with electric start or an electronic ignition system. Making sure all of our joysticks move freely. Key switch turns on. So another area we want to check into is all of our wear components. A lot of these components on snowblowers use nylon washers to prevent wear between steel components. Honda recommends lithium grease, and as do most manufacturers. We want to check here on the chute discharge and here on the chute rotator. Here we can apply a light film of white lithium grease to ensure proper movement of the chute and flapper. So not all units are equipped with tracks like this one. This unit does not feature a tension system. It is strictly tensioned by the drive wheel and the idler wheel. We do want to check for wear, cracks, or separation of the tracks. Now, this unit is equipped with tracks, but there's a lot of units out there equipped with standard snow tires. We want to make sure those do not succumb to the same problems as tracks where they dry rot over the summer. Make sure they're maintaining proper tire pressure and proper tread depth. You'll be good to go. So after you've followed all these steps to ensure the unit is in good condition and ready to be operated, you're going to want to check your fuel tank, make sure there's no debris or foul-smelling fuel in there, and we're going to get ready to start the unit. First thing we can do is make sure our fuel shutoff is set to on. After that, we can key up, choke, and we're ready to start the unit. And again, if you're uncomfortable performing any of these steps, please know that we're here for your service. Take it to any of your local Bestlines and we'll be happy to help you. And once again, my name is Jake. Thanks for watching.